Okay, we're back. It just started making this grinding noise, and so this is sort of typical. Like oh, hi, John, hi. Yeah, you're a good boy, honey. Can you move, please? Thank you. Yeah, honey, go see mom. So that was odd. At any rate, we're not out of the washing cycle at this point, and we have this grinding noise. Draining cycle happened about 5 minutes ago, completed about 5 minutes ago. This is the new noise that we're hearing. This is the sort of the problem that we've been talking about. I'm gonna just open up the so inside here our dishes, and we've got really like no water here. It's mostly dry. As I said, the draining cycle's already run. There's still a little bit of water in there. From here I can sort of feel the heat coming from the element. I'm not going to put my hand too close to it, but I can feel a little bit of heat coming from it. I'm not going to touch it. I think I did that once, and that was a bad idea. Anyway, so that's sort of what we've got going on here. I'm just going to put the lid back up. Just let it resume where it left off, and so there's the grinding noise. So that's, I think, the big question is what's going on. And hoping you can help out. As you can see, we're not in the drying cycle. We're somewhere between rinse and dry, I suppose, and there's this grinding noise. But again, if I open up, there's none of the arms have moved. There really seems to be no indication of what could be what would be causing that noise, or why it would be doing anything. So anyway, so there we are. I'm going to go post this someplace where you can get to it, and we'll see what we can do.